This is the story of a boy named Ryan. Ryan lost his mother when he was 6. His father worked long hours in a factory, earning barely enough to survive. Even then, he made sure Ryan went to school. He ate less, saved every dollar, and invested everything in his son's education. By 13, Ryan was cooking, cleaning, and taking care of the house before school. Life was hard, but he never complained. He studied harder than anyone and always topped his class. His father had one dream: to see Ryan become a doctor. Then tragedy struck. A serious factory accident left his father permanently disabled and unable to work. Their world collapsed overnight, but Ryan didn't give up. After school, he went door to door selling small household products just to survive and continue his studies. One evening, tired and hungry, he knocked on his last door of the day. A kind woman noticed his condition, offered him food, and listened to his story. When she learned he couldn't afford his college application fee, she quietly handed him $5. "Go chase your dream," she said. Years later, Ryan became a successful doctor and opened his own clinic. One day, an elderly woman with no family was brought in, critically ill and unable to pay. Despite the costs, Ryan ordered immediate treatment and personally cared for her until she recovered. At discharge, she opened her bill. There was none. Your treatment was paid long ago. Only a note that read, $5 you once gave to a struggling boy. Ryan walked in, smiled, and said, "That day, you didn't give me money. You gave me a future." Small acts of kindness can return in ways we never imagined. Help someone today, you might be saving a life tomorrow.